What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Lily. My name is Lily.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is on July 15th. My birthday is on July 15th.
What is your phone number? What is your phone number?
My phone number is 123456. My phone number is 123456.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in New York. I live in New York.
Where is your school? Where is your school?
My school is near our house. My school is near our house.
What is your job? What is your job?
I am a teacher. I am a teacher.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have one brother.
What is your hobby? What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting. My hobby is painting.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red.
What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit?
I like bananas or I love apples. I like bananas or I love apples.
How many apples do you have? How many apples do you have?
I have 3 apples. I have 3 apples.
What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer. My favorite sport is soccer.
What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat?
I like to eat pizza. I like to eat pizza.
What is your favorite toy? What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a doll. My favorite toy is a doll.
What is your full name? What is your full name?
My full name is Lily Smith. My full name is Lily Smith.
What is your nationality? What is your nationality?
I am American. I am American.
Where were you born? Where were you born?
I was born in Los Angeles. I was born in Los Angeles.
What is your marital status? What is your marital status?
I am single or married. I am single or married.
Do you have children? Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 children. Yes, I have 2 children.
What is your occupation? What is your occupation?
I am a student. I am a student.
What languages do you speak? What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish. I speak English and Spanish.
What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King. My favorite movie is The Lion King.
What is your email address? What is your email address?
My email address is john@example.com. My email address is john@example.com.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog.
What is your height? What is your height?
I am 5 feet 8 inches tall. I am 5 feet 8 inches tall.
What is your weight? What is your weight?
I weigh 150 pounds. I weigh 150 pounds.
Where did you go to school? Where did you go to school?
I went to Lincoln High School. I went to Lincoln High School.
What is your favorite book? What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird. My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
What is your favorite music genre? What is your favorite music genre?
My favorite music genre is rock. My favorite music genre is rock.
What is your favorite vacation spot? What is your favorite vacation spot?
My favorite vacation spot is Hawaii. My favorite vacation spot is Hawaii.
Do you drive? Do you drive?
Yes, I drive a car. Yes, I drive a car.
What is your eye color? What is your eye color?
My eye color is blue. My eye color is blue.